this video is not going to be like a perfect video of, yeah, let me use these Curlformers and it's going to turn out fantastic. No, there's so many things that are annoying about these Curlformers. What's up, Curlies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki. I've literally just had a shower, washed my hair, zero makeup, and I'm ready to do these Curlformers. So let's get straight into the video. Ordered these off Amazon. I've seen them before and I've really wanted to try them, but I've just been way too lazy. But I'm actually going to do this on damp hair. I don't want it too wet. I do not own a hooded dryer, so I'm going to be part air drying and part diffusing this to get it dry. Lightweight, light-handed, hopefully, on the leave-in, because as I said, I need this to dry quick time. Okay, I've got 20 of these. My hair's thick as F, so that means 10 each side. Ooh, is it gonna be enough? Also gonna use some gel because we want it to last. I'm gonna do gel and I'm gonna do mousse. Let's hope and pray this actually works. Here goes nothing. Oh my god! This is how strong my freaking hair is. Well, that didn't work, did it? That didn't work. Let's try again, let's try that again. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Is it me? Like, is my hair too fucking thick or something? Do I need a smaller section? Try again. Ew! What's happened? By this point, the Curlformers were getting on my last nerve. Let's actually count how many times they make me swear in this video. Alright. We made it. The first one is done. Turns out the section was just too thick. But my hair's fucking thick, like.
International high net worth buyers are pouncing on UK property as they look to take advantage of the favourable price of the pound.
Oh my days, this thing is so fucking annoying.
Big money mansions, and John from the country office is on his way to view a third.
So this is the issue, right? I've got 4 of these Curlformers in already at the back. I've got 20 Curlformers. That technically means 10 each side and maybe 5 per third of my head. At the minute, I've already used 4 on a third of my head. I've got the thickest part of my hair to do, which is probably going to take about another 5 up, and then I'm going to have the front, which I'm not going to have enough for, so I don't know what to do. I decided to focus on the front of my hair next because I figured out that this would be the part that you're going to see, and it's probably going to look the most noticeable if I don't do it correctly. So here we go, working on the front again, pulling it through, and as you can see, it comes away from the plastic thing. This thing is so annoying. I swear down, if this thing, yeah, fucks around again, oh my god, every fucking time, this thing, the fuck, like, why didn't my hair go fucking through it? Boasts 102 opulent rooms. What the fuck is boasts? I can't, I swear down. I'm at the end of my tether with this stupid thing. Your hair's got to be literally tack thin to pull through these things, because really it's got no tension. Like, there's no resilience to the tension whatsoever. My hair's thick, man. Like, do it again. This thing breaks again, yeah. I'm just. So we made some progress, not a lot. Turns out that I can't even like make these as thick as I want to because my hair doesn't pull through, because this comes apart every time I try and put like any amount of tension on this device. Like, it just it just comes apart. So I've got to do like really small sections. My hair's thick, so small sections, it's going to take me forever. I think I've used about 8 and I've still got quite a bit to go. So this is the first 10 Curlformers in. As you can see, I've still got quite a lot of hair out. Like, I don't even know if that's like over half my head still. Taken one out the bottom because it was really uncomfortable. When it comes to lying down, that's going to be a little bit painful. Let's do the other side, and then I'm going to probably just get some flexi rods to see how we can manage the rest of it. Oh, this fucking thing, honestly. So we're finally done with our hair. I can't even see right now. I've got a mixture of Curlformers, flexi rods, bantu knots in my hair, because I started putting the flexi rods in and I was like, I should have just bantu knot this. It would have taken me, it would have been so much quicker if I just bantu knotted these, and it probably would have given me a little bit more of an accurate result in regards to looking like the Curlformers. Anyway, we've done it now. It's all finished. It's taken me a long ass time. Definitely, I'm not going to say it wasn't worth it. We'll see what the results are tomorrow. I can't even be bothered to dry this right now. So I'm going to just put a bonnet on for now, probably dry it later or tomorrow. We'll see. I'll come back. This is how I slept overnight. I'm not going to lie, it was quite uncomfortable, mainly because you can't move the Curlformers to the top of your head, so you just have to sleep on them. Removing them was pretty easy, and I was pleasantly surprised at how quickly they dried in comparison to flexi rods and bantu knots. The curls actually looked so nice, and it looked as if I'd done them on blown out hair. The only thing I didn't like is that it slightly snagged my hair when I took them down. Now just removing the flexi rods. These didn't dry 100%, and I definitely put a bit too much hair into the section, so they didn't turn out as good as I had hoped. I think the bantu knots also came out the worst because they were still quite damp, and I should have left them in for a little bit longer. Here I am just separating the curls with some oil. I wish I could have just had a full head of Curlformers, as I wasn't really feeling the difference in the type of curls. I decided to put it up because I was going out and I didn't really feel how it looked. Overall, I did like the Curlformers, but I should have just ordered another pack or 2 to fill my full head in hindsight. This was my hair a few days later. It literally went frizzy after the first day, so if you do this, make sure you use some sort of humidity protecting product, because it was definitely not worth the time I spent on doing this style. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you've used Curlformers in the past, and I will see you in the next one.